Hello everyone. I just wanted to quickly explain why menus might look different for different users. I'm currently logged in as the administrator. To see what menus look like for other users, I either have to log in as another user or use the impersonate tool. But before I do so, first take note that here in the top menu, there's a link called Getting Started that goes to the Getting Started site. And then a link to the same site is also available here under Create Your Own Site, Getting Started site. To use the impersonate tool, first you click admin and then you go under security, and then under logins there's an option that says impersonate a login. If I go here and click here, I'm going to choose a non-administrator to impersonate, say John Smith. And now the banner at the top shows that I'm now currently impersonating John Smith. If I want to switch back to the administrator, I just click this red X. If you look at the top of the menu, that Getting Started menu is entirely removed. And if I go to the link that was previously shown under Create Your Own Site, notice that this link is also now hidden. So what's going on here? Well, when a menu is displayed, the system checks the security permissions of the logged in user to the security permissions that the different items link to. If the user does not have permission to view the content that the menu or menu item links to, it is automatically hidden from the menus. This includes mega menus as shown in this example, as well as menus in the left navigation. Let's take a look at what these menu items link to. First, I'll stop impersonation. Now I'm back to using the administrator account. I'll edit this menu and I'll take a look at this top menu item. If I go ahead and edit this link, I can see that it's linked to a site called Getting Started. Let's take a look at what the permissions are for this site. If I click here to get to the Getting Started site, and under Toolbox, I can jump straight to the site's permissions. And here we can see that this site is view secured. When a site is view secured, you have to manually add what users or what security groups have access to view this site. In this case, no users and no groups have been assigned. So by default, only administrators can see this site. If I assigned John Smith view permissions to this site, it would become visible for him in the menus. So we've seen that based on security permissions, menus are displayed differently for different users. There's just one more thing I'd like to let you know about. When you have a menu item that links to an external site, you can also restrict who can see that menu. For example, under quick links, I have a link to the Facebook site. I would only like members of the communications department to see this link. Let's have a quick look to see how I would set that up. I'm going to edit the menu and come here under quick links. I'm going to start editing this menu widget. I have to select the Facebook menu item. I'm going to edit the link. And there's an option down here that says Assign View Security. If I click this, it will show me the permissions of who's allowed to view this menu item. I've got View Security turned on, so it's not publicly visible. And here I've specified that only members of the communication security group can view this menu item. I hope this quick demonstration gives you a better understanding of why menus can be displayed differently for different users, and the usefulness of the impersonation tool when you want to view how the site looks different for different users. Thank you.